Hello, welcome everyone to my channel Moment with Prasanna. Some of you have asked what is my profession. I work as a nurse. I work in intensive care in a rapid response team. I am a psychology student and I'm also inner child healing therapist. I try to share the knowledge that I have so that it could be helpful for some of you. The topic for this week is stress, which is one of the common things that we go through in our life. Some of you might be stressed every day. Some of you might have high tolerance capacity and you are maybe one of those person who doesn't get stressed easily. It depends on individual how they cope. Stress is normal response to any change and it is normal part of our life. It is a reaction to any emotional or mental pressure that is caused by hormones released in our body such as adrenaline and cortisol. When our body goes through stress, this hormone gets released and we respond and react the way we react. There are many different types of stresses that can affect us and experience stress differently. Stress can be a result of your job, your relationship, finances, your education, health, career, or any other life events that you are going through. Chronic day-to-day stress can have huge impact on our health, wellness, and even on our personality. It depends how you cope. Stress can cause problem with your digestion, weak immune system, poor sleep, anxiety, and many other health issues. If we don't identify and manage stress as we go along, it can have huge impact on our life. It is important to be aware when your body is overstressed so that you can manage appropriately. Like I said, everyone reacts to stress differently. However, when you are overstressed, there are some physical, emotional, and mental symptoms that should be noticed. Severe stress can occur when there are long-term illness such as cancer, heart disease, renal failure, liver failure, and so many others. Moving house, moving country could be another biggest factor of stress. Divorce, separation, any other serious relationship problems, death of loved ones could be the major factors of life that can cause us stress and even overstressed. Now, how can you know if you are experiencing a normal level of stress or if you are actually overstressed? Everyone reacts to stress differently. However, these are some common signs which you might experience when you are overstressed. Number one, your sleeping patterns are off. Either you are sleeping too much or you cannot sleep. You might feel depressed, you might feel sad, you might feel low constantly all the time. That feeling of sadness and low mood eventually can lead you to depression. When you reach to the stage of depression, it could be hard to manage. If you would like to know about depression and how to manage, I have linked the video in the description section. Please do not forget to watch how to manage depression. Number three, you are getting frequent headaches. Early in the morning, you might get headache. You might get headache when you're working. You might get headaches when someone is talking to you. If you get frequent unexplained headache, that means you might be overstressed. You might feel anxious. You might feel irritated. You might feel frustrated all the time without any reason. This could be another sign that you are overstressed. You might have digestive health issues. You might be having diarrhea every other day. You might have constipation. You might have problems that you're feeling nauseated, that you want to vomit and throw up. So these are some digestive health issues when you are overstressed. Racing heartbeat or high blood pressure. You might feel your heart is beating so fast. You have that feeling of palpitation all the time. Eventually, that will lead to high blood pressure. You notice some skin problems. You might have a lot of breakout, pimples, and you might notice some other skin problems. Your skin might look dull, rough, and even some rashes. You might be getting sick quite often. You are falling ill without any reason because you are not eating properly, you're not sleeping properly, you are not focusing, you're not concentrating, your brain is constantly overthinking. And hence, you might be feeling sick or you might be falling ill quite often. Our immune system depends on the level of stress that we are going through, that our body is facing. When our body is constantly under stress, our immune system becomes weak and its ability to fight with infection becomes low. So that's when you are prone to infection, when you are more stressed. You feel achy, you have pain. If you have pain in your body somewhere, let's say if you have shoulder pain, when you are stressed, that part will be affected most, because pain and stress can go hand in hand. Your sex drive might be down. If you're sexually active when you're stressed, or if you're overstressed, you may not have that feeling. Let's talk about some effective stress relievers for your life. As we know, stress is part of our life, and we can't always control things happening in our life, but we can control how to respond and how to react. Here are some effective stress relievers that can calm your mind and your body. Number 1, progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation involves relaxing muscles in your body group by group. So you can start with a few deep breaths. Start with your leg and gradually moving on up to your head. Tightening your toes and then releasing. Tightening your calves and then releasing. Tightening your knee muscle and then releasing. Gradually moving upwards toward your body. You can start from toe to head, or you can go from head to toe. Eating healthy, balanced diet. Eating natural foods, eating lots of vegetables, drinking a lot of water rather than jumping to junk foods. Number 3, make time for leisure activities such as swimming, dancing, or relaxing, or going to the gym, anything that makes you relax. Number 4, develop a habit of having positive self-talk. Practice yoga. Yoga helps to relax your body and mind and helps to balance. Just focusing on your breathing and changing the way you breathe can make a big difference in your overall stress level. Breathing techniques can calm you and your body and your brain just in few minutes. As soon as you feel you're overstressed, you can take yourself out of the situation, go somewhere in the corner and start taking nice, long, slow, deep breaths. That will straight away reduce your stress levels. Reassess your to-do list. If you're trying to squeeze 20 hours of work in 10 hours, that is definitely going to make you feel stressed. You will have all those stress hormones released, which will make you even more stressed because you feel pressured. Maybe break down your work and focus on only particular work that you have to finish on that particular day. Reducing your workload could be a key in helping you to get through high stress levels. Find someone with whom you can talk to so that you can relax. You can take your mind away from the stress activities. Take a break quickly for 5-10 minutes. Go for a walk, drink a glass of water, call your friend, or just relax. Hope you found this video useful. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and lots of love.